Meaning of existent.
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 Existent. Existent is an adjective that refers to something that currently exists or is present in reality. It can be used to describe people, objects, ideas, or events that have verifiable existence, as opposed to things that are hypothetical or imaginary. In philosophy, existent is often contrasted with non-existent to explore the nature of being in ontology. Overall, existent emphasizes the factual, empirical, or measurable aspects of a particular entity or phenomenon while highlighting its concrete or palpable characteristics as opposed to mere abstractions.